Subscribe to Tech Conclusion channel and press the bell icon to get notified about every new technology videos.
Dear friends and followers, at this generation, playing a game in a PC gives us a very unique experience and have fun. So before that, you just think that you don't have a keyboard and mouse of a gaming means you can't get that really nice experience. So for that you need a keyboard and gaming mouse, right? So we in the Tech Conclusion channel unboxing the new and unique keyboard and the most affordable keyboard in this channel, and please watch the video till the end to get notified, to get complete information about this keyboard. Let's unbox this and start the video. Hi everyone, this is Shashank HR from Tech Conclusion. So this product has been sponsored by Supercomputers and Laptops. Check the link in the description for more information. I will talk about the sponsors in the end of a video. So stay tuned for that. Let's unbox it. So this is the outlet back of Circle Gaming Level Up Saberon X7C 7-color backlit gaming combo. So let's unbox it, guys. First of all, I will wrap up the seal and just peel off it, and here is a keyboard. So this kit comes with an outlet pack and a keyboard and a pad and the mouse and the user manual and the warranty card and the CD, programmable CD. So this is the main keyboard and it is a supportable case, and let's take out the cover, and this is the keyboard. It's glow up with the light. Let me show you next. And this comes with an unique keyboard, and the next thing is the mat, the mouse mat. This is very soft and this is very unique mat I have ever seen in the past of unboxings. So this is Circle Gaming Level Up mat, and when it comes to the mouse, it comes with an unique design. Yes, see guys how nice it is. It comes with 6 keys, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 for gaming purpose, especially for the gaming purpose. So it has a very unique feature, and let me show you one by one. So this is the warranty card, which you can get 1 year Circle Gaming warranty with this, and the next thing is the user manual. In this they have detailedly mentioned that how you can operate this and the functional keys of a mouse and a keyboard, and then it comes with an programmable CD which you can program your gaming keyboard and mouse. This keyboard comes with spill proof. By accidentally if you spill the water or a kind of a coffee or a tea on this keyboard means it is spill proof, and it's very unique keyboard, guys. And this comes with an unique design, and the mouse has very good handle design, and it has very soft keys which you can play the games very smoothly, and this is very unique mouse. And just let me connect it to the keyboard. See guys how nice it glows. So this is the unique keyboard and a mouse, and it's cost around 4,000 rupees in the market. But if you buy on the supercomputers and laptops in the SP Road by using my code, the code in the description below, if you go and just grab out this deal, means you will get the keyboard with 2,500 rupees from my side. So guys, you just saw the Saberon X7C combo kit unboxing. So this product has been sponsored by supercomputers and laptops in SP Road. You can check out the link in the description below for get more about details of that shop. You can go and buy this keyboard and mouse in there by using my referral code, and you will get some discounts there. So, and please like the video, and the main thing, please subscribe to my Tech Conclusion channel and press the bell icon to get notified about every new technology videos where I upload every new days. So that's it for today guys. Meet you on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.